Now here we are with the LC Convertible. Check out this beautiful cabin. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the glazed caramel option. Full semi-aniline leather, and basically leather on every single thing you can touch. Door trim is the same way, with a really cool diamond texture on it. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Yeah, so let's check this out a little bit. Like I said, leather pretty much everywhere. We do have a Alcantara on top of the gauge cluster here. More leather, 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 all through here. Real aluminum buttons. Everything in here, of course, is so high quality. These knobs, for instance, just amazing to touch. Fantastic. But put your foot on the brake, press this button. That's what you came here to hear. Even better when you got the top down. Of course, you got your electric power assisted steering, leather wrap steering wheel, including the airbag cover. These paddle shifters, real aluminum, really, really nice. Drive mode controls are up here. The shifter takes a little getting used to. You have to bump to the right and then pull down to go into drive, bump to the right and go up for reverse. That's what your backup camera looks like there. No 360 camera option, just a regular backup camera, front and rear parking sensors, and then the mirrors do tilt down when in reverse. Press the P for park. The electronic parking brake does automatically deploy. But let's go ahead and head out for a spin. point out some of the engine specs. So this is a 5-liter V8 engine, naturally aspirated, and it makes 471 horsepower, 398 pound-feet of torque, which is definitely plenty of power to move this around. That's going to be paired with a 10-speed automatic. As you can see, it is very nice and responsive to the paddle shifters as well. Of course, if you guys want full driving impressions for this LC500 convertible, make sure to check out our full review, which has all of our full impressions as well as all the information you want to know about this really lovely LC convertible.